Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a new contact on INFINIX Zero 40. Firstly, go into the Phones app, tap on Contacts, tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can choose where you would like to save your contact to. It can be your Google account, your phone card, or your SIM card. I'm going to choose my device. If you tap on this icon, you can just choose a picture from a gallery to set it as a profile picture. So let me choose one, tap on done, and now you can align it and crop it. Then tap on this icon to the right corner to save it. Now you can tap on this arrow to see every blank for name, such as first name, middle name, last name, phonetic last name, phonetic middle name, phonetic first name, and the nickname. Obviously, you don't have to fill all of this, all of those. You just have to fill the first name and maybe the last name. You can also add a phone number. You can add few of them and label each one of them individually as something different. This one can be let's say work, and this one maybe you will stay as home. It works the same with an email. You can also add a date, let's say November 7th of 2028. Okay, and this time I'll label it as something custom, let's say an appointment. Okay, you can also write notes about this contact, and groups are just groups, so we can create a few groups such as friends, family, and colleagues, and you can add this contact to these groups. I will attach it to friends and colleagues. Now tap on save. Now you can save this contact in the right corner by tapping on this icon. And if you would like to share some information about your contact, you can just hold the information that you would like to share. As you can see, it has been copied, so now I can just paste it somewhere. Or if you tap on this in the right corner, tap on share, a small QR code is going to be created, and now we can share this QR code. You can scan this QR code, or you can share as a text this phone number, or you can share it as a file. So share as vcard, and now a small file is going to be created that contains all of the information. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.